In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to withdraw funds from your SHEIN account and help you navigate this process smoothly from start to finish. Let's get started right away by making sure you're all set up. First things first, you want to open up Google Chrome on your computer or preferred device. Once you have your browser open, head over to the SHEIN website and log into your account using your credentials. If you don't already have an account, make sure to sign up and verify your details before proceeding. Now that you're logged in, take a look in the upper right corner of the screen. Here you'll find a few different options, but what we're interested in today is the My Wallet, or the Account Balance section. Click on that and it will take you to a page where you can see exactly how much money is available in your SHEIN account. Take a moment to make sure the balance displayed is correct, as this is the amount you will be able to transfer. Once you've verified your available balance, you'll need to look for an option that says Withdraw or Transfer. Click on it, and this will prompt you to enter your payment details. Make sure you have your bank information handy, as you'll need details such as your account number and any other relevant payment information. It's essential to double check and confirm that all your banking information is entered accurately. This will help prevent any hiccups in the transfer process. With your bank or payment details filled in, you'll want to cautiously review everything to make sure the information is precise and that there's no room for error. Once everything looks good, you can go ahead and click on the button to confirm your withdrawal request. If your account balance wasn't transferred before, or if this is your first time going through this process, you will receive a confirmation message or email from SHEIN verifying your request. Keep an eye on your inbox just to make sure everything is progressing smoothly, and that's it. You've successfully managed to navigate the SHEIN platform and withdraw your funds. It's a pretty straightforward process when you break it down step by step. Remember, anytime you're sharing or entering sensitive financial information online, it's crucial to make sure you're doing so over a secure connection, preferably on a private network, to protect your information. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this guide helpful and that you're leaving with a sense of empowerment in managing your SHEIN account. Be sure to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tips. Until next time, take care and stay savvy online.